This is probably the most important video ever released on the internet when it comes to texting a woman. The times are changing in this digital age. But trust me, the sexual instincts are the same. We just have to know how to translate this to technology and the modern woman. If you don't follow these rules, it is game over. You have to start all over. I will boldly say, don't listen to any other advice out there, unless it is congruent with this information. We have a bonus rule at the end. Don't miss it. Welcome back to another episode of The Ultimate Man, your modern source for dating advice, relationship advice, and everything in between. Today, we're diving deep into the complex world of texting women. That's right, fellas. Texting, the modern-day hookup method where studs are made and creeps are left in the dust. I'm revealing the top 3 most important rules that'll have you mastering the art of texting. From picking up women to sealing the deal, we've got you covered with the ultimate dating hacks to skyrocket your success with women. So, grab your notepads because you're about to learn how to talk, flirt, and make her chase you like never before. Let's dive right in. Rule number 1, don't text her like a friend. Text her like a lover or potential lover. Many guys make the mistake of texting a woman like a friend. This is a surefire way to walk into the lonely cage called the friend zone. If you love being a friend, then go for it, but that's not why you're here. Why in the world would you text her like a friend anyway? There is no such thing as a platonic relationship between a man and a woman. One person is always trying to have sex with the other, or maybe both are. Once you're in the friend zone, don't trick yourself into thinking you have a chance to get out of it. Because you don't. You may, and I stress you may, have the chance if you watch one of our past videos here. Typically, it's hard to reverse, so you need to set the tone from the very beginning. Let's move on to the next rule. Rule number 2, don't play it safe. Remember, your goal is to be her lover, so you should find out as soon as possible if there's even a chance. If there is not a chance, you simply move on. Why would you waste time with her? The best rule to remember is to never play it safe. Not in a conversation in real life, not on the phone, and definitely not during texts. Be bold. Don't try to text her with feeler questions. Don't try to gauge her interest level in you. Pay attention to your own feelings. You already know what you want, so you have to be bold about it. You can't give her lukewarm either. It could come off as creepy if you interject your bold comments too late in the conversation. It'll appear as it came out of nowhere and you would have already blown it. When you are bold, she will understand that you're putting yourself out there and that you can be yourself. She, therefore, will feel more comfortable being herself also. You will be off to a good start. This is how you become comfortable with getting into the topics that really matter, like taking it to the next level, in the bedroom. One trick to initiate an intimate or sensual conversation over text is to ask her if she's shy. Then you follow with if she's a lights on or lights off person. And I leave it to you to navigate this. This, though, is where the real conversations begin. Rule number 3, always keep sexual tension. As mentioned, don't text her like a friend, or else you will be in the dreaded friend zone. Always correspond in a way that will maintain sexual tension with every girl. You never know who your next bedroom partner will be. Maintain sexual tension with the grocery clerk, the librarian, your teacher, your co-worker, etc. Never your family or your friend's wife. Everyone else's partner is game, though. And when I say sexual tension, I'm not talking about the creepy kind or the kind that will get you kicked out of places. I'm talking genuine compliments that are geared to her beauty. Women love compliments, even the ugly ones. Even if you're not trying to get with the unattractive woman, look for something to compliment on. Her bracelet, her sense of style, whatever. You want them to be attracted to you, at the very least. Because when she's attracted to you, she'll tell her friends, and her friends might second the feeling or will also become attracted to you. Because girls are weird like that. They are competitive. The world is yours. Bonus rule. Never rely on her text purely to indicate her interest level. If she is showing signs of interest through text, take it and run with it. Go ahead and secure that first face-to-face date. Now, if it doesn't seem like she's engaging, this is not necessarily a sign that she's not interested. It probably means that she doesn't use text to operate and communicate her feelings. This is tough because you need to know her interest level right away. If this happens, quickly ask her out on a date. Don't beat around the bush. If she accepts, great. If she declines, then move on to someone that's actually worthy of your time. One good way to ask her on a date is for you to assume you are going to a place such as salsa lessons. Say to her, I'm going to beginner salsa dance lessons next Wednesday. You should come with me. This approach is a take-it-or-leave-it style approach where she understands that you're going to go no matter what, with or without her. This seems non-needy, takes the pressure off of both you and her, and it shows that you have a social life independently and know how to have fun. When she agrees, don't text her any sooner than the day before the event. The text correspondence should only be used to figure out the details and logistics, not for a casual conversation. That is what the date is going to be for. Well, there you go, gentlemen. Hope you found value in this video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and save this video. If you have a texting rule that you think that we should know about, go ahead and leave it in the comments so our community can learn, grow, and take advantage of the information. See you in our next video.